In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to the Basecamp schedule via iCal feed. If you want your Basecamp events and dated to-dos to appear alongside everything else in your calendar, an iCal feed is the easiest way to keep things in sync. You'll grab a special URL from Basecamp and add it to your calendar app, and from then on, the dates from that project will show up automatically. Start by opening Basecamp and heading into the project whose schedule you want to follow. Once you're in that project, click the Schedule tool to open the calendar view for that specific project. This is where all of the events and dated to-dos live, and it's also where Basecamp provides the subscription link you need. At the top of the schedule, just above the calendar grid, look for a link or menu option to subscribe. It may say something like, "Add this schedule to your Hey Calendar, Google Calendar, Outlook, or iCal." Or you might find a Subscribe or iCal option inside the three dots More menu. Click that option, and Basecamp will reveal an iCal subscription URL. This is the address your calendar app will use to stay updated. Copy that URL. Treat it like a private link for your team. You don't need to share it publicly. Next, add that URL to your calendar application. Most calendar apps have a subscribe or add by URL feature. You're not importing a file, you're subscribing to a live feed, so it updates over time. If you're using Google Calendar in a web browser, open it up and look on the left side under Other Calendars. Click the plus icon, choose from URL, paste the iCal URL you copied from Basecamp, and click Add Calendar. Google will create a new calendar layer with the Basecamp project's dates. You should see the events and dated to-dos appear shortly. If they don't show instantly, give it a moment. Some calendars check for updates on a schedule. From here on, any changes to dates inside Basecamp will flow into your calendar automatically. Keep in mind, most iCal subscriptions are read only. If you need to change a date or a to-do, make that edit in Basecamp and your calendar will catch up on the next refresh. That's all there is to it. Open the project's schedule, grab the subscribe link, and paste it into your calendar's Subscribe by URL feature. You'll save time, reduce missed deadlines, and keep your schedule in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.